Hello, welcome to Algebra 1/2, Lesson 49. Today we're talking about the evaluation of exponential expressions and radicals. Now that may sound like, a lot of stuff, but actually this is, again, a really easy lesson. So, yay for easy lessons. We like those, don't we? Makes the video faster too. So, this lesson we're reviewing, remember we've talked about exponents. So if I have this exponential expression, 5 cubed, 5 to the third power, that means that I'm multiplying 5 by itself 3 times. I'm not multiplying 5 times 3. It's 5 multiplied by 5 3 times. Then here I have x cubed. I can do that with letters as well. They can have exponents. That means that I multiply x by itself 3 times. Well, if I have an exponential expression or a radical expression, any expression with a letter, and I know what that letter stands for, I can evaluate it by putting the number that that letter represents in place of the letter. For example, m squared if n equals 9. To evaluate this, I put 9 where the m used to be, and I square it because it's m, or 9, squared. 9 squared is 9 times 9, which I know is 81. Oops. So there we go, expression evaluated. Good to go. Next one, 4x if x equals 3. So all I need to do is replace that x with a 3. Notice the x is in the exponent spot, so that means 4 to the third power, which is 4 times 4 times 4, which I know is equal to, 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. All right, and 64 to the nth power, or not to the nth power, excuse me, the nth root of 64. It gets a little tough and tongue-tying to get all of the phrases right sometimes, so forgive me when I mess up. So the nth root of 64. So that means I'm looking for the number multiplied by itself n number of times gives me 64. Well, it says if n equals 3. So that means I'm looking for the cubed root of 64. So I'm looking for the number that when I multiply it by itself 3 times, I get 64. Well, I just learned what that one was, that it's 4. So there you go, there's your answer, nice and easy. All right, last example before our practice. The cubed root of n if n equals 27. Okay, so we have the cubed root of, we'll put 27 in place of n. So what number when I multiply it by itself 3 times? Times n equals 27. It's 3, good. So that's all that you have to do. Okay, pause now and do your practice on page 142. Okay, you should be back now, ready to go. Letter A should be 64. Again, this is easy because you saw these in our practices that we just did right here. So it's 4 times 4 times 4 is 64 because it's 4 to the third power. B, x to the third power, if x equals 5, so that's 5 to the third power, 5 times 5 times 5, 125. C is going to be the cubed root of 27, because n equals 3 and it's the n root of 27, so the cubed root of 27, so that would be 3. And D, the n root of 81, if n equals 2, so that's the square root of 81, since n equals 2, and that would be 9, because 9 times 9 equals 81. Okay, that's it. See you in our next lesson. Bye.